Okay, now we're going to talk about properties of special parallelograms, but with rectangles in mind and specific. Now again, these are just like the other guys that we talked about, in that one of the properties of a rectangle is the fact that it is a parallelogram in the beginning. So all of the things that happen with parallelograms, opposite sides parallel, opposite sides congruent, opposite angles congruent, diagonals bisect each other, those things all continue to happen as well. So then we also get a few additional items. We get all the properties of the parallelogram, but we also get the things that you know typically happen in a rectangle. So one, we get all right angles. So all angles are right angles. We also get one more added bonus, and that's that the diagonals are not only bisecting each other, but the diagonals are congruent. So they're equivalent to each other. So when we bisect each other, what we end up with is all four of those are congruent. So we get 4 isosceles triangles within our rectangle. So that's it. All the properties of a parallelogram, plus all the angles are right angles, plus the diagonals are congruent. Those are your properties of a rectangle.